let's talk about DataFrame basics. To preview the first n rows, we can use the df.head. Now, by default, the head method shows 5 rows, but of course, we can preview 3, we can preview 10, we can preview any number of rows, and this gives us a way to visualize the data. We have a tail method as well, and this will allow us to preview the last n rows, where again, the default is 5. So if I run this method, we are getting the last 5 rows. My data frame goes up to row 10. And so you can see that we are going 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Similarly, we can preview the last n, so I can set a smaller n value up to the length of the data frame. There's another way to preview a random row using df.sample. And so every time we run this cell, it will preview 1 row at random. If we want to preview 5 rows, we could just select the number for n. And every time we run this cell, we will get a different randomly generated 5 set. And this could be good if you want to subset a larger data table. Additionally, if you can pass in frac and say we want to preview half the data table. And by passing in a value between 0 and 1, we can preview some subset of the overall size. Again, this is randomized. If you want to instantiate the randomness, you can pass in random state, and every time we run this, it will produce the same data table. If we change to a different random state, we will get a different subset of rows based on that randomized state. We can also use different attributes, such as the columns attribute, to preview the columns. And now you can see this is an index type, and we have our columns listed here. So these are the index values across here. Similarly, we can preview the row indices or the row index here. So if I were to set the index to s_id and preview the index, you can see that now we have assigned a new index, and I'm going to preview just that row index, and it will be these values here. So a lot we can do just by understanding how we can navigate and subset our data frame.